respected principal, vice principal, teachers, seniors, juniors, and my dear friends. It's me, Sandana Sudhir from grade 8A, standing in front of you all to conduct today's morning assembly. First of all, I would like to thank our class teacher Durga ma'am for giving us this golden opportunity. Now, without any further delay, let's begin today's morning assembly with some news headlines. उपचार गराउन बिहानै जनकपुर छोडेकी प्रदेश प्रमुखले बर्दिवासको कटेजमा पुगेर गरिन् मुख्यमन्त्री नियुक्त। नेपाल ट्रस्ट जग्गा विवाद पूर्व सचिव कार्कीलाई 7 दिन म्याद थप। माओवादी भित्रको विवादले मधेसमा दलियो सरकार। प्रतिनिधि सभा विघटन विरुद्ध रिट 1 सप्ताहसम्म म्याद तमेलीमै। Thank you for listening. Now I would like to hand over this mic to my friend Krishna.
धन्यवाद साथी, मलाई माइक हस्तान्तरण गरेकोमा। अब म कुनै विलम्ब नगरी केही समय पूर्व भएको जेन्जी आन्दोलनको शीर्षकमा एउटा छोटो कविता भन्न गइरहेकी छु। कविताको शीर्षक रहेको छ जयमा पराजय। देशमा भ्रष्टाचार बढ्दो क्रममा करको सही उपयोग भएको रहेछौँ हामी भ्रममा। सामाजिक सञ्जालको बन्द भयो सञ्चालन, जेन्जीले गर्ने सोचे ठुलो आन्दोलन। ज्यान गुमाए बालबालिकाले त्यस आन्दोलनमा पारिदियो सरकार तिमीले बुबा आमाको सहारा खाल्टोमा। प्रहरीले नै गर्न थाल्यो हत्या हिंसा, सेनाले गोली प्रहार, विजय होइन सरकार तिम्रो देशकै हो हार। सयौं थुङ्गा फुल्का हामी एउटै माला नेपाली, सहन्नौ यो हिंसा अब केही नबोली। भविष्य आफू जले जस्तै जले तिम्रा घर, कहाँ गए ती रेमिट्यान्स आएका सरकार। केपी चढे हेलिकप्टर प्रचण्ड भारत शरण, आन्दोलनले अब चढ्यो अझै उग्र चरण। कहिले भागे जेलबाट भ्रष्टाचारी पनि, खेल तिनकै हो लाग्छ सोच्ने हो भने। सिंह दरबार सर्वोच्च अदालत सबै भए सखाप, मन्दिर जस्तो ठाउँ पनि बनाए तिमीले रात। जित्न त जित्यो हामीले सबैजना मिली, तर इतिहास हराइरहने भयो अब सधैँभरि। धन्यवाद। अब म यो माइक निहारिकालाई हस्तान्तरण गर्न चाहन्छु।
Thank you, Krishna, for handling this mic to me. Now I would like to tell some quotations. Don't let the fear of losing be greater than the excitement of winning, by Robert Kiyosaki. Sometimes you don't realize your own strength until you come face to face with your greatest weakness. Success doesn't come to you, you have to go to it. Marva Collins. Believe you can and you're halfway there. Theodore Roosevelt. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. If you want to shine like the sun, first burn like the sun. APJ Abdul Kalam. Now I'd like to hand over this mic to my friend Lizzie.
Thank you, Niharika, for handovering this mic to me. Now I will like to ask you some quiz questions. Which animal has the highest blood pressure in the world? Correct answer is giraffe. What is the only metal that is liquid at room temperature? Correct answer. Which planet in our solar system has shortest day? Correct answer is Jupiter. Which creature has 3 hearts and blue blood? Correct answer. In what decade was the internet first invented? Correct answer is 1960s. What scientific theory describes the origin of universe? Correct answer. Which river carries the largest volume of water in the world? Correct answer is the Amazon River. What is the only food that never spoils? Correct answer. Now be ready for school, sir.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
We like to be good. We like to be best. We like to be best. We like to be best. We like to respect our elders. We like to protect our teachers. We like to respect our elders. We like to protect our teachers. We like our dreams. We love our
Good morning, everybody. Okay, girls game against Happy School. Right now we are moving. So those girls, students, junior, all who came for training in basketball, you can go today. Okay. And tomorrow, class 5, you are going for art competition. Till now, 6 and 7, 3 and 4, I just went through all the arts. So 50% students are not good in art. This is a basic skill you have to learn. In any profession, if you go, definitely you need art. If you want to be a professor, teacher, researcher, your own art works so valuable in your presentation. And if you are a mathematics teacher, if you have an idea of art, you will make the drawing immediately, very easily, without any problem. And if you go into technical subjects in science, especially in architecture engineering, you need a basic concept of art. So I don't want to say you try to be artist. No, what? Try to be art. Learn art, basic art. So either you know or not, you can try. Try your best. Then every year if you go on doing these things, I think you will be good after all. So I want to see my students, everyone, so good in art, so good in study, so good in dance, so good in games, chess, quiz, and subject matter. Only subject matter doesn't work in a competitive world. If you go in a professional life, you need many things. You need even this kind of speaking skills also. So everything is the place we learn from school, we learn from friends, we learn from teachers. Okay? Thank you.
Now be ready for national anthem.
Bahasa